Hi, I'm Auria. I'm the holistic chiropractor here at MetaMed in Queenstown. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit about pain and symptoms and why it's a good idea to have ongoing treatment after the pain is resolved. I'm going to refer to it as an iceberg. So you've got the iceberg part above the water that you can see. So that's the symptoms that you've come in for. And then underneath the surface, you've generally got this huge mass of ice hidden under the surface. That mass of ice represents all the dysfunctions that has led you to that point coming above the surface. So once you start to feel better, that's just knocking off a few chips from the surface, but it hasn't got to underneath why you got to that point in the first place. So it's good to keep peeling back those layers until the iceberg is very small. Okay. So I find that a lot of people, when they start to feel better, drop off treatment, but then a few weeks later they will come back because that pain has come back very quickly, and that's because that big iceberg underneath that tip has not been looked at yet. So we recommend ongoing treatment until function has restored. So we'll do checks every time to see how the function of your body is progressing. So it's not necessarily centered around pain. So if you're a chronic pain patient and you've been getting these ups and downs in your pain, that's what's probably going on, is that we've chipped away at the surface, but underneath that hasn't been looked at. So it might be just a case of changing the approach and maybe the frequency and the duration of the treatments that we're being offered.